Hello, my friend, full of technology, development, and manufacturing of devices and machines capable to help Africa in its development and industrialization process, and especially helping Africans in their daily tasks. For those who don't know me, my name is Cholo from Technology for Africa. I am a mechanical engineer from the University of Gießen in Germany. The main goal of this channel is to promote the development and the manufacturing of devices and machines by Africans themselves, because I have noticed that we Africans used to buy abroad without trying to master this technology and trying to remake them by ourselves. If you are interested about new technology, and especially if you want to learn how to design, to develop, and to manufacture devices and machines, so you are in the right place. You just have to like, to subscribe, so that you will not miss any of my posts. Without further ado, I will present you a 3D model of my cordless screwdriver that I designed by myself. I will also explain to you each component of my cordless screwdriver. At the end, I will do a small simulation of the exploded view of my cordless screwdriver. Let's go. So this is my screwdriver that I designed by myself. I I did it with the SolidWorks software. We have so many SolidWorks program, or so many TAD program that we can use. For example, SolidWorks. We have Inventor. We have also um, PTC Creo. We have also Siemens. Siemens also made TAD programs, and I think we have also Katia. But I usually use SolidWorks because it's easy to have it. To have other SolidWorks, other TAD programs is very expensive. This is why SolidWorks is very cheaper to buy, or you can also use the online versions of SolidWorks. It's easy to have it at home. Yes. So on the market, we have so many different screwdriver. If you look on the market, you can look at maybe this company, Elgo. This also made screwdriver, and we have also Bosch, the Bosch company. We also made that, which also made screwdriver, cordless with battery, and but as I say, I decided to make my own screwdriver. If you look at the screwdriver, we have not a lot of component, but here we have the housing, the left housing, the description of each component. You can choose how you can describe it, but mainly the name or the description of each component in mechanical engineer is mainly made for about the use of the component. What is the functionality of the component? This is how we can easily describe a component. As I say, we have the 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 left housing, and we have also the left housing. Both housing are connected to this screw. You have about 7 screws to connect the both housing. And here in white we have the plate. This plate is used to fix the motor. If I make it transparent, you can see inside the different electronic component. The white plate is used to fix the motor, and we have also this cover. This cover is only to protect to protect this component. This component, I describe it as coupling bushing. It is used to transmit the movement from the motor to the bit holder. You have the bit holder here. This is why I also added this. I also add this cover to protect the coupling bushing. It's very important. It's also it's look very nice. If I didn't have it, it could be to be not okay. And you have also this electronic component. You have this switch. This switch is used to turn the motor forward and backward. If you put at this point, the motor will turn maybe on the right side, and if you put at the bottom, the motor will turn on the left side, to the left side. And now here we have the battery at the bottom, and we can also see the wires to connect the switch to the motor, and also the switch to the battery. At the next video, I will go into the detail and really explain the characteristic of each component, and mainly the electronic component, how and why I decided to take this motor and this switch. But for the screwdriver, this switch is very important because we have to to fix maybe this the screw. You have to lock the screw, and sometimes we have also to we want to unlock the screw. This is why it's important to use a switch that can turn the motor left and right. It's very important. And I can also show you this exploded view, so that you can uh, see how the whole screwdriver is mounted. You have the different screw and the different component. It's not a lot of component, and we can also make a small simulations. Thank you for watching this video. As I said at the beginning of this video, just like, subscribe, so that you don't miss any of my posts. And I will be happy to have you in the next video, where I will show you how I 3D printed each component of my cordless screwdriver.